how to rent a house on Zillow. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to explain you how you're going to be able to rent a house here in Zillow. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Basically, if you come here into Zillow.com, you must create an account, but it's an easy process. You just have to log in with your Google account and then you're going to be able to have your profile picture here and to rent a house. Probably when you are gonna select a house to rent, you must fill some more data that was not asked to you when you created your account. So I'm going here into rent. As you can see, there are different options: rental buildings, apartment for rent, houses for rent. So by now, because we are looking for a house, I'm gonna click here. And you must get the city, neighborhood, zip or address that you're interested in. By now, I'm going to suppose I want to rent something in New York. Okay, here you have different filters that you can change. So by now it's a house for rent, but if you want to change for sale or sold, that's an option for you. The price, so a minimum price, so for instance 1,000, and maximum any price by now. Beds and baths, so by now I would like to apply for 2 bedrooms. You can use exact match because probably this is gonna show you places or houses that have more than 2 bedrooms here, like 3 that we can see here. So you can use the exact match, just 2 bedrooms or more than 2. And bathrooms too. By now I just want 1.5 means that it has like a toilet in there but not a shower, okay? Or complete bathrooms as you want. Home type. So you can switch also to apartments or townhomes. And moving date, probably you're looking for a near date around a month, it could be, so you can apply it if you want it. So here in the right panel, you're gonna be able to see all the houses that are for rent, and in the left panel where it is located. Okay, as you can see, if I move my pointer on top of any house, it's gonna be in a different location here at my left. Now let's suppose I would like to say this is gonna give me the address, give me some pictures. So I'm going to imagine myself and my family here inside this house. There is some data here. So this is a single family resident. The calling is to contact the manager, heating also, laundry also, pets also, you must contact the manager. Probably, I'm not so sure if they have all this data as contact manager. I'm going to select a new one in order to see if these are the same data. Yes, contact manager. Because here we have 2 buttons, request a tour or apply now. So probably you would like to request a tour in order to be able to go directly into that house and see how it is. So there are different dates that you can request the tour. You must write your first and last name, your phone, and your email. Once you have added this, you can add a message. This is optional, and send tour request in order to go directly into the home. Or you can click also in apply now. Let's suppose that you have been here into this house, so now you must apply. And you are going to be redirected to a page in order to finish and complete all the process. So remember that if you're going to work with the Zillow applications, so you must pay $35 as a fee, but this is going to include you an Experian credit report, the background report, and unlimited application submission. So you must pay in order to continue with the process. And that's it. That's how you're going to be able to rent a house on Zillow.